Hello, welcome. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make a pom-pom. As you can see, we need a piece of cardboard like this. Next, we thread our yarn through a needle and pass the needle through the cardboard as shown. Then, we continue to pass the needle and yarn through the middle of the cardboard in sequence, as demonstrated, until the ring is full. Now, watch this part carefully.
By the way, please don't forget, like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thanks for your supports.
Once the ring is full, we cut the yarn with scissors as shown. After the cutting process is complete, we remove the yarn from the cardboard and tie a knot with the remaining piece of yarn, as demonstrated. After tying the knot, we trim the yarn ends to make the pom-pom even and neat. I made a small pom-pom, but you can use a larger piece of cardboard to make a bigger pom-pom. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.